Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So sometimes people ask me that I am from non-computer science background, so how to get into the software industry, or I am from non-coding background, I am working in some other role, how to get into the development. Or some students will say currently I don't have any projects, or I want to learn some skills and I wanted to be job ready. So every time for these questions I'll say build some skills and build your own projects so that you can get a good job in the software industry. So now, what if I told you that you could learn React development in 100 days? If you want to learn React development live and hands-on, Odin School is here for you with its React Web Development Bootcamp. With the help of multiple exciting projects like shopping cart apps, music player apps, etc., along with industry interaction and placement support, build a rewarding career in web development with Odin School. This is going to be a live instructor-led course with updated curriculum based on the industry requirements. There will be a live weekend classes and recorded lectures as well. So after 3 months, when the course is complete, you will get a chance to get placed with their 500 plus hiring partners. And also, the job assistant goes up to 1 year with no limit on the interviews you can attend. They will provide 360-degree placement assistance. And what's more interesting is that Odin School negotiates on behalf of the students for their salary packages. And apart from that, you'll also have resume building sessions, sessions for your mock interviews, sessions for your behavioral skills and more. Link is in description guys. Definitely check it out if you want to upgrade your career like these Odin grads. Do check out their success stories. The course fee is 50,000, but there is a scholarship of 15,000 guys. So the effective fee is 35,000 only, which is amazing for a live course. And don't worry guys, EMI option is also available. Also do keep in mind that the scholarship is limited to 100 seats only. And the upcoming cohort starts this November 25th. So go and apply for the bootcamp now. Thanks for watching the video guys. Do subscribe our channel for more updates.